Okay, so we just got here to the paint shop. Pretty much I'm gonna be showing you guys what is being done already. Pretty much today, once they finish, we're gonna be ready for paint. What they're gonna be doing today pretty much is gonna be removing all the accessories, all the lights, mirror brackets, everything is gonna be pretty much thrown away. We're gonna be putting everything brand new. So right here, they already sandblast and prime the chassis. We already removed the leaf springs because an air ride is gonna be installed once everything is done. On this side, right now, the two boxes, they're gonna be removed. How you guys can see, we are already missing the tanks, so that's already been removed. Same thing with the brackets. So back here on the chassis, how you guys can see, they already started working. Everything is smooth. The deck plate is on already. We already installed the fifth wheel plate. Then on the back, how you guys can see, instead of having like a traditional end of the chassis, everything is gonna be rounded. So like that, whenever we put the rear panel and then the muffler hangers, everything is gonna look good and flush. That's what's being done. I believe that next week is gonna be ready just to prep and then just start painting.
Aquí, como ustedes pueden ver, ya tiene todo. Le hicimos la parte trasera del chasis redonda. Ya tiene su display montado completamente. Tiene el chasis preparado completamente. Aquí tiene su quinta rueda adaptada completamente ya, una quinta rueda fija, que es la que vamos a estar montándole a este camión. Tiene el chasis completamente preparado ya. Como pueden ver, está el chasis completamente en bondo. Ya solamente es tirar primer y coger últimos detalles para pintura. Este camión vamos a estar hoy cerrándole todos los hoyos de la cabina con aluminio, todos los hoyos del slipper y todos los hoyos de la cabina. Vamos a estar en un camión en el que estamos trabajando a diario. Vamos a estar bajándole las cajas hoy también. La suspensión, ya la suspensión se le bajó. Ya se le eliminaron todas las hojas de muelle para que el camión, vamos a montar una suspensión de aire para que el camión baje completamente. Este sistema es un sistema que nos gusta mucho a nosotros aquí porque se ve mucho más lindo el camión, se ve completamente algo totalmente diferente. Ya ustedes saben, Customized Truck en Tampa, Florida.
Okay, so how you guys can see, this is how it's gonna look once the suspension is down. On total, we lose a total of 7 inches. So pretty much we are planning to install a 20-inch bumper. Once we got that on, we should be sitting like around 2 inches. Once the airbags are down, once we put them up, we should be like around 9 inches from the floor. So we're gonna have like a 7-inch travel on the backs. That should be enough to ride comfortable. They're gonna be painting pretty much everything on the suspension, so everything is gonna look clean. So that's what we're shooting for. We're shooting for the show truck this time. So everything is gonna be going on red on the suspension. The chocks, we're just gonna keep them stock, like black chocks. Everything else is gonna be painted. So stay tuned so you'll be able to see what it looks like once we finish.